This is the fantastic view of Shimla from ridge, and very far you can see the China border, the ice-capped mountain. It's a lovely view. This is the famous church of Shimla. It is based on the neo-Gothic architecture, and Shimla is also known for its church. It's a new landmark for Shimla. It is the second oldest church in India, which is located here at Shimla on Ridge. Entry is free, of course, so if you wish you can go inside it. So it's a morning time, and today is the 31st December, and there is a huge gathering on the ridge, and I'm sure that today the night celebration is going to be fantastic. Most of the people have come here to enjoy their New Year Eve. And same thing goes with me. I have also come to enjoy the New Year Eve here at Shimla. So I am craving for tea, so I am going to have tea. So there are so many stalls over here. Let's try the tandoori chai. This is the tandoori chai that I have ordered. I'm going to try it out. Let's see. See the crowd, because it's New Year Eve, so you can see lots of people around me. And just about this church, on that behind you can see Zakhu temple. I am planning to go there. The main gate of Zakhu temple. Wooden door. This is Zakhu temple, and it is the highest peak of Shimla. It is located at the highest peak of Shimla. I am breathing high because it is an altitude of around 4,000 meters, and there are so many monkeys around this temple, which is as usual for any Hanuman temple. So you have to be very careful when you are visiting this temple, otherwise they can snatch your belongings. So finally I am on the top peak of Shivalik range. This is the huge statue of Lord Hanumana. So Zakhu temple is dedicated to Lord Hanumana. Let's take a round of this. Really huge. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Bajrang. Wow. A huge statue on the highest peak of the temple. And I have to be careful because there are so many monkeys around here. And this is the scenic beauty Shimla from here. So I am really blessed that I got an opportunity to visit Jakho temple just before the first eve of New Year. It's the evening time. A very mesmerizing view of this peak. These pine trees. Visiting Jakho temple. I am back to Mall Street, Mall Road, and this is the night view. See, the church is decorated with fancy lights. Wow. It's looking so awesome. Everyone is enjoying this movement. Crowd is increasing. People are gathered here to celebrate the new year. Overwhelming crowd, and the pride of nation is fluttering high. This is the first time when I am celebrating New Year on a hill station. Fancy lighting all around. People are visiting photography and videography like me. Day has been hectic, but now I am feeling awesome. My all tiredness has gone off. Really wonderful to be here on the ridge during this winter on 31st December. And I am sure those who will see this night since 1959, famous for its pastries, cakes. उधर गई है। लेट रश देखने It's a famous town. Municipal Corporation Shimla. The food street. It's a nice building. Architecture of the building is quite fascinating. Most of the people are doing photography and videography over here. It's the mayor office. I have taken several rounds for this road. Now I am finding a fine restaurant for dinner. Wherever your sight goes, you see the pool of people. And I think there is one restaurant here, Jashan. Varsha शादी करने गए मैडम. They are selling street foods. Traditional food of Himachal Pradesh. Cafe 1873. Punjab National Bank. Timeless multi-cuisine recipes amidst contemporary charm. So, gone. So we are going to try veg food in Afghan. Meet you there. I am going towards Lakkad Bazaar, which is a famous wooden market here. I want to just explore it out. And this is the iconic church, which is very famous in Shimla. And here there are so many food stalls. Shimla, which was the summer capital of British East India Company during their rule. But if you're planning for the Shimla, I would say that it's only 2 days, 1 night visit. That's it. ice-capped peak of the mountain. So this is famous Lakkad Bazaar, which is known for its wooden work. So most of the shops here are related with wooden, but not only this, there are several eateries, famous eateries. One of the famous eateries is Sitaram and Sons, which is closed now because we are very early in this market. It is opening right now. People are going here and there. They are enjoying their tour, like me. Paras garments, and this is the awesome view of Shimla Valley. It is too much cold, and again I am craving for tea and looking for a tea stall. Because if it's cold and if you get a tea and if you get tea and coffee,
ये तो पूरे होटल और मिला सिर्फ यही वाला
देख दिया क्या बोल रहा है देख लो मैं पसंद नहीं
बिल्कुल सदरन प्लेटी वाले मोहन में भी हम
looking for a tea and coffee stall, but most of the shops are closed right now. Let's try our luck if any shop is open where I can have tea and coffee. It boosts me. So this is Green Valley. Okay, bhai. On the way of Kufri.
मोबाइल से बना मोबाइल से मोबाइल
नहीं वो बाद में बना लेना अपने तरीके से The whole mountain is covered with pine trees. You can see the gathering over here. People are doing photography and videography to capture this natural beauty. I love such places where the greenery is all around. So when you are traveling to the Kufri, this place comes on the way, so you can halt here for a few minutes and enjoy the beauty of the nature, like me. And here the traffic that is going towards Kufri or coming from the Kufri also. So this is the adventure activity resort located in Kufri, where we have come to enjoy some adventure activities. This is the main gate and it's a parking area. And here it's beautiful Kufri Valley. Now the intensity of the snow is very low. You can see the snow here and there. Because due to rain, this sun, most of the snow melted out. It's a very steep road. I am going down. So this is the condition of the snow. So it's almost disappointing if I say, because there is no snow falling in Kufri right now. You can see snow here and there. So this is the second time when I got disappointed. Last time I was in Patni Top, even there I had seen this kind of snow, a muddy snow if I say. But overall view is nice, amazing. The temperature is awesome. Now I am inside the adventure resort going for go-karting. It's my first time when I am going to try the go-karting. Let's see I can do that or not, because it's not an easy task. Handling a cart is a very difficult if you are not habitual. Just a joke. No snow at all. So this is the place. And now I have to find where should I go for go-karting. Wow. Okay, I'm going to try it now. Meet you next time. Snow is here and there on the hills, but people are still enjoying. I just stopped to have Maggie here.